Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be making one of my favorite Indian dishes, Paneer Tikka Masala Curry. It's a creamy and flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. The first step is to marinate the paneer. Here, I have about 250 grams of paneer cubes that I've cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to marinate them in a mixture of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and some spices like cumin powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. I'll leave this in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors develop. While the paneer is marinating, let's work on the sauce. Heat some oil in a pan and add in some chopped onions. Cook them until they're soft and translucent. Then, add in some chopped tomatoes and let them cook until they're soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are cooked, I'm going to blend this mixture into a smooth paste. You can use a blender or a food processor for this. Now, it's time to cook the paneer. I'm going to heat some oil in a pan and add in the marinated paneer cubes. Cook them until they're slightly browned on all sides. Once the paneer is cooked, I'm going to add in the onion tomato paste that we blended earlier. I'll also add in some cream to give it that rich and creamy texture. Mix everything together and let it cook for a few minutes. Lastly, I'm going to add in some kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves to give it that distinct flavor. You can also add in some chopped coriander leaves for garnish. And that's it, our Paneer Tikka Masala Curry is ready. It pairs perfectly with some steamed rice or naan bread. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one. See you in the next video. Bye.